Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we'll discuss about topic mind map. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management. Especially if you are a student and studying project management in university, or you are planning to give exam of PMP. So this is a very important topic with respect to exam point of view. You will see this topic in the exam. At least 4 to 5 questions will definitely be there in which your concept related to this topic will be checked. Secondly, friend, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization, so again this is necessary for you to understand the concept of mind map so that you can utilize this concept in your professional and implementation life of project management. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Mind map. First of all, friend, see, this is a topic which we have taken from the PMBOK Project Management Body of Knowledge. So we will discuss this topic with respect to project management. So mind map is an easy way to brainstorm thoughts or organically without worrying about order and structure. It allows you to visually structure your ideas to help with analysis and recall. See, friend, this was only a definition, friend, and like we think from our own mind, like the mind is working. So in the same manner we draw a picture, draw a figure on the paper. So just to think about any idea, just to think out, figure out some idea and thoughts, we just work in a same manner as our mind work. Like we think about some idea, then link it with some other things, then other things, and then other things. What does it mean actually? See, our mind work in a manner that we first of all we think about some idea, some thought, then we think that how we can do it by figuring out or by linking it with other things. Okay, for example, let me give you a very simple example here. Like for example, you want to meet your uncle at some location. Okay, first just an idea in your mind that you should have to go to meet your uncle. Okay, this is just an idea. Now how will you achieve that idea? You have to think that okay, how much distance is there. You need a you need a car, you need a motor car, or you need a bicycle to go there, or you need a bus to go there. Once you go there, you can also do some other things as well. Like for example, you can purchase anything, like because the market is very good surrounding there, so you can purchase something as well. So I'm just giving you an idea that how our mind works. First our mind thinks about some idea, then we link it with other things, other possibilities, and also we think about alternate options as well. Okay, like for example, same things, same idea. Like your mind have an idea that you should meet your uncle, then you have another idea that you can also meet your friend as well, who is in a different city. So if you go there, so you can meet with your relative as well, because they are very near there. So friend, this is an idea. In this manner your mind think about. Okay, this is a manner in which our mind. So mind map concept is similar, that a mind map is a diagram for representing tasks, words, concepts, or ideas, items linked to and arranged around a central concept or subject using a non-linear graphical layout that allows the user to build an intuitive framework around a central concept. See friend, we have some central idea, we have some central concept, then our mind uh, make things around that surrounding. For example, another example of mind map here. Like first of all, like you have some vacation is coming. For example, in the next month you have a 10 days vacation. So your mind says that we can go to Germany, we can go to UK, we can go to Denmark, we can go to France. If we go to Germany, then we can go to Berlin, then we can go some other place as well. If we go to United Kingdom, then we can go to London, then some other popular place. If we can go to Denmark, then we can go to some other proper important city, and then go in any important place. If we go to France, then we can go to Paris, then Eiffel Tower, etc. So see that vacation is a central idea. This is an example of mind map, that how mind map is work. Like vacation is the central idea, then we are generating the sub ideas around that central idea. For example, the main concept or main idea is vacation, then alternate option, the sub ideas. What are those sub ideas? Like Germany we can go to, we can go to United Kingdom, we can go to Denmark, we can go to France. So these are the sub idea or sub idea. And then the sub idea again, like if you go to France, you can go to Paris, and then you can go to Paris, and then you can go to Eiffel Tower. See, so main idea, then sub idea, then sub idea, then sub idea. So this is the how the mind map concept is that. So you can implement that concept on any project. For example, you want to start a new startup. For example, let me give you an example. You want to start a new startup, so you can make a software house, you can make a service industry, service company, like which will provide some service. You can also make a service that like you can work on like you can work on charity basis as well, like you will provide free of cost services, etc, etc. So many ideas are there. So main idea is the startup you want to make. You want some startup, and then what kind of startup? Like for example, you can start a new software house, you can start a new service, you can provide a software company which can only work on the mobile softwares, mobile applications. So any ideas there. You want to start a new business, so what could be new business? Like you can start a business for restaurants, like food industry. You can start a new shop for mobiles, etc, etc. So the mind map concept is that first of all we have some sort of central idea, then we elaborate, we make sub ideas along with. Like main idea here, like for example, main idea is the startup, and then sub idea is that software house, then the sub idea is that mobile applications. Okay, so first is the main idea, then sub idea, then sub idea. So this is the main concept of the mind map. So friend, what are the main advantages of mind map? First of all, the brainstorming and visualizing concept is very easy, because see, people are sitting together, they are discussing the ideas, and they can formalize the ideas on a paper. See, once we are sitting together and discussing the ideas, and just vanish the idea once we leave the place. So if you have a paper, you just draw your idea and just elaborate that how it can work. Communicating of idea is become better, because see, you can also imagine that if something is written on a paper, so it will be easier to communicate your ideas. Graphical representation and electronic notebooks can also be used to use the mind maps. Normally, if you search on Google, you may find some software to make the mind maps as well. Meetings, you can run meetings more effectively. Why? Because see, if you have a presentation, if you have some graphical representation of your mind map, so it will become more easy for you to make someone understand that what actually you want to build, what is your actually idea. Outlining reports and documentation will become easier. Again, the something is written, so it will become more easy to understand and more easier to generate the reports and documentation. Project management become easier, writing essays become easier. So many advantages are there if you use the mind map. uh, Friend, also, how to draw the mind map in the last. First of all, just start in the middle of a blank page, writing or draw the idea, and then develop the related subtopic around this central topic, and repeat the same process for the subtopic, generating low level subtopics as you see fit, connecting each of those to the corresponding subtopic. So main idea is that first of all, put your main idea, main concept in the middle of the page, then develop the subtopic around it, and then repeat the same process. Okay, so at once you will reach at some level which you can say that your idea complete now. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time.